Hello everyone, welcome back to Min's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share one of my favorite recipe, simple yet delicious Filipino beef salpicao. So first up, let's prepare the ingredients. So here I'm using a rump steak. You can also use different cut of steak that you like. You can use ribeye or sirloin. Here I cut it into cube size like so. And then you also need to chop some spring onions and some garlic. I use 10 cloves here. You can use as much as you want. Second step, we need to marinate the beef. First, you need to add 1 tablespoon of white or brown sugar and then 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, smoked paprika, 1/2 tablespoon, so it gives a smoky flavor which I really love. Then you add ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, dark one is better, and then mix everything together. Make sure that everything is well combined. Next, you add the spring onion and again mix everything together. This step is optional. You can add some chili flakes. You know I love spicy food, so I usually put some in my salpicao. Marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, let's start cooking. First, let's heat up the pan with some oil. And then you put your garlic. Stir fry your garlic until it turns to golden brown. Then separate the garlic and the oil and set the garlic aside. Using the same oil, put in your beef and stir fry again for 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see here, the color of the beef changed and it's ready for your butter. Put some space into the middle of the beef and then you put the butter. I love butter, so in this recipe I put 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir everything in again, and when the butter is totally melted, you're ready to put back your garlic. Once you mix everything together, turn off the heat and then sprinkle some spring onions. Serve your salpicao with some rice and enjoy!